Hi guys, Avik here from the Global Developer Network. In this video, we are going to be completing FreeCodeCamp's challenge called Nest an Anchor Element Within a Paragraph. Now what we first want to do is to add a paragraph tag around the anchor element. So if we move this after our image tag, so let's create a paragraph element which says view more, and then we paste our anchor element, but in the same line we have a nested, it's sort of nested, and we close it. So you can see here that it's all in one paragraph, and this is a clickable link. So let's run our tests, and there we go. Alright, so let me know in the comment section below where you had difficulty in this challenge and whether you like this video tutorial or not. Also, please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for future updates. Alright, so see you in the next video.